Have you ever looked at the sky and wondered what fills the vast space between Mars and Jupiter? You might think it's empty and quiet, but in reality, there's a mysterious, crowded, and chaotic region called the asteroid belt, a cosmic playground filled with millions of rocky bodies, ancient leftovers from the birth of our solar system. These objects tell the story of how planets formed, how the solar system evolved, and maybe even hold clues about life itself. The asteroid belt sits like a cosmic fence between the inner rocky planets, Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars, and the giant gas planets Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Stretching from about 2.1 to 3.3 astronomical units from the Sun, this region starts just beyond Mars and ends well before Jupiter. Within this vast stretch of space, countless rocky fragments drift in a delicate gravitational dance, influenced by the Sun and the mighty gravity of Jupiter. Among the millions of objects in the belt, the most famous is Ceres, once considered a planet when discovered in 1801, now classified as a dwarf planet. Ceres is large enough to hold some internal heat and even water ice beneath its surface. Then there's Vesta, with massive cliffs and deep craters telling a violent history of collisions. Other notable bodies include Pallas and Hygeia, each a tiny world with its own story. These rocks are remnants of the original building blocks of planets that never fully formed because of Jupiter's gravity. Gravity is the silent sculptor here. Jupiter prevents the asteroids from forming a new planet while nudging some onto new paths. Some drift toward the inner solar system, becoming near-Earth asteroids or meteors blazing across our skies. Without Jupiter, the belt might be far more chaotic or even dangerous. But don't imagine the belt as a dense wall of rocks. Despite millions of asteroids, the space between them is enormous. Missions like NASA's Dawn have navigated safely through it, studying these ancient rocks up close. Dawn visited Vesta and Ceres, sending back breathtaking images of craters, mountains, and mysterious bright spots, hinting at subsurface water and geological activity. Each asteroid tells a story, each crater a history of billions of years. The asteroid belt is more than a graveyard of rocks. It's a laboratory in space. Scientists study it to understand the early solar system. These rocks formed over 4.5 billion years ago, preserving materials and compounds that reveal the young sun and its surrounding disk. Some even contain water-rich minerals, carbon compounds, and clues to life's building blocks. By studying asteroids, we hold pieces of the puzzle showing how Earth and other planets came to be. Of course, the belt holds hidden dangers. Some asteroids occasionally leave the belt and cross Earth's orbit. Most burn up harmlessly in our atmosphere, but some are large enough to cause serious impacts. That's why tracking near-Earth asteroids is a major focus for space agencies. The same rocks that teach us about our cosmic origins could remind us of life's fragility. The belt also holds potential for the future, rich in metals like iron, nickel, and even precious metals like platinum. These asteroids could one day support space exploration. Imagine mining them to build spacecraft, fuel stations, or habitats in space. the asteroid belt is not just a relic of the past. It could be a gateway to humanity's future among the stars. Despite all we know, the belt remains mysterious. Many asteroids are still undiscovered, hiding in the shadows. Each discovery adds pieces to the puzzle, and sometimes more questions. Are there ice-rich asteroids, organic compounds? Could they hold clues to life elsewhere? Every mission brings us closer to answers. So next time you look at Mars glowing red in the night sky, imagine the vast, chaotic asteroid belt lying just beyond it, a realm of ancient rocks, silent witnesses to planet formation, shaped by Jupiter's gravity and full of secrets we've yet to uncover. And hey, if you enjoyed exploring the asteroid belt with me today, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Exploring billions of rocks in space is way cheaper in your imagination than in reality. Maybe one day we'll go there for real. But until then, let's explore with our minds.